Good evening, YouTube. It's me, Loretta, your favorite retail therapist, wearing a pair of my earrings from my last video. And I wanted to come back and make a video of my thrift shop haul. I got out of work early today and just figured I'll just go looking around. I was, left with the idea of finding a jean jacket. I know I said I was going to make a cape out of my husband's old jeans. And where he tore them at, it's not going to work. It's going to be too much work. And I'm about being smart with my time. And so I said, well, let me go to the thrift store real quick, run in and see if I can find an oversized man's jacket. And I can just cut it into the shape, or women's jacket, and cut it into a shape of a cape, sew it on both sides, and voila, I'll have a cape. Well, they had no jean jacket. So as I'm walking through the store, I'm thinking, okay, what about a skirt? So I got this beautiful jean skirt, and I'm going to leave it just as you see it. It has pockets on the back. I'm going to just take this zipper out and cut it down the middle, put a couple of notches in it, and voila, I'm going to have me a beautifully ended cape. To be continued, probably Sunday. If I can get it done between tonight and Saturday night, you're going to be very happy. I know I'm very excited, but you're going to see a jean skirt become a cape. Watch. I also want to show you the rest of my haul. I got this beautiful suit. I don't know if you can see the shine on it. And it has a little rim on the edge. A jacket and a skirt. And again, it was a 50% off sale today. So I got everything for 50% off. I actually spent $55 and I got over $100 worth of stuff. I got these little slides to take to work to put at my desk. And they were $4. And they don't look like they were ever worn. And I'm going to put those at my desk at work so that when I want to rest my feet. I also got these terracotta candle holders. See? Terracotta. I'm going to clean them up. They were $3.99. And those are going to go outside on our patio. So when we want to sit outside this winter. I wish it was returning this summer. When we sit outside this winter, we can have some nice candlelight and burn on these terracotta pots. While I'm on that idea, I got a couple more pumpkins. And stay tuned because I'm about to put the house together for harvest. And these were 99 cents at the thrift store. And I got them for 50% off. So I got them for 50 cents today. I love Christmas. I don't know if you know this about me, but I love Christmas. I have a smaller one of these that one of my friends made for me. This tree is a quilted Christmas tree, and I have other ones doubling as a pincushion. So I'm going to have this in my office during the Christmas holiday. It's a sneak peek, but it's gorgeous. It's handmade. It was $2.99, and I got it for 50% off today. Oh, I'm sorry. This is the jacket that goes with little dress I just showed you. I also got these little squares. They're sequin squares, and the whole pack was $1.99. And I think I want to have this put onto something, either a t-shirt in the shape of an L. I got quite a few of them, and so I haven't decided what I was going to do with them, but I couldn't leave them because I know sequins cost so much money, and I watch Project Runway. These are very expensive, so I want to embellish some of my pieces. I got these beautiful gloves today. And these gloves are by, who did I say these were by? I forget now. Oh, Founds, the leather glove company. And you're not going to believe it, but I got this cape today. And it looks like it can just go together perfectly. The cape was $19.99. It was the most expensive thing that I bought today, but I only paid $10 for it today. The gloves were $8, and I got them for half off. I also got tassels. I think I told you this already. I love tassels. Tassels are my embellishment for everything. I love to put them on my pillows. I love them on my lamps. Of course, I love them on my curtains. And these were $1.99 for 50% off today. And because I'm decorating my office, I'm thinking I might want to tie my office curtains back. with these, and I got a set of 4. Because I don't like to be skimpy with them either. I like to make them look a little plump. So I tend to put 2 and 3 of them together at a time to make them look fuller. So I never just use one. I think you should, you know, splurge. Fabric makes everything look more embellished, more rich. So I got that. I got this canvas clutch, and it was $2.99, and there's a leather little handle on it. And I want to paint it. I want to do something very custom on this. Hand painted, and just a little clutch, you know, just to grab something real quick when you're going out. Too much of nothing, and just kind of throw it and keep on going. Oh, I got these little pumpkin place card holders, and you know, although we don't have places to sit here, I thought they would be cute to put some positive affirmations at the breakfast nook, so that when we sit down, that we'll have some positive affirmations to look at. Yeah, get ready to decorate the house. That's going to be my next video after I come back with the cape, because you have to see the cape. Okay, me and my daughter have lunch bag wars, and she keeps taking my lunch bags. No matter what lunch bag I get, somehow or another, she ends up with it. And I found this lunch bag, and it was clean. Looked like it wasn't used. I'm going to go wash it with some Lysol on the inside and throw it into the wash machine. On the outside, it was $3.99. And I think I can just finish using that up. And again, it looked like it wasn't even really used. Here's something else I bought. I don't know what I'm going to use it for. I'm thinking some t-shirts, maybe for our women's department, for our youth department, and they're iron-ons. Even if you just add them to the sleeves or something. So I thought they would be really, really cute. I wasn't going to leave them. I got 3 packs of them. And the packs were $169. So I'm looking, it looks like maybe 50 in a pack. So maybe I got 150 of these. And yeah, watch me make it work. My mind is always tinkering. I'm definitely a tinker, and I'm definitely a thinker. I also got this garland. It said garland. It was regularly $3.99, but today I got it for $1. And it says bead garland. I didn't open it, but I'm doing my Christmas tree this year in gold, because I have a grandbaby and his name is Golden, and so my Christmas trees would be in celebration of him, and of course my Lord and Savior Jesus Christ. And the color theme will be in his name. So yeah, it's garland. And so yeah, I already have a plan for that already. That's exciting. Didn't know what that was going to be. But again, with it being gold, I was going to grab it regardless, because I'm grabbing everything gold. And if you're not gold, you're probably going to get painted gold this year. I also got this, and I got this the other day, and I didn't do that video, but I had to do this. This is one of those IKEA shelves that you just kind of hang up on the wall to hold something. It's called a lack shelf. And it was $4.99, but I know it costs about $10 in IKEA, because I've seen them. You just kind of hang up on the wall like a display. So I have all this wall space in here, so I'm thinking just to hang this there and put something on. I actually need something to hold my glue guns. So if I can get my husband to position this in a good spot for me, maybe I can put my glue guns on that near the plug. I want to put this in my dressing room. The door leading into my dressing room. And it was $3.99 with 50% off. And I don't see the regular price for it. But yeah, that's going to be in my dressing room. I got 4 of these frames. And this year I decided that we're going to do a project, a family project. And we're going to just get a whole bunch of pictures out and frame things that we like. They were $14.99 at Marshall's, $7.99. I got them for 50% off, and they're nice and sturdy. And I think it's going to be a fun project for the family to work on, and then they can leave with their own framed art of their choosing. I also got this cutting board. I had a cutting board like this before, and I have no idea what happened to it. I'm thinking that someone broke it and As always, they don't tell me. But it says the recipe for an amazing woman. I'm going to have this in the kitchen. Start with faith and honesty. Mix it in pure humility. Add strength of character that rises above the stress of life's surprises. Fold in personality. Toss in generosity. Pour in love from a heart that's true. Yield one terrific, amazing you. A recipe for an amazing woman. So I got that today. I'm going to throw that in a dishwasher, sterilize it, and use it. It was $4.99 with 50% off. Two more things. I love lathering vitamin E all over my body, and I don't like the bottle that it's in. So I'm going to clean this and put my vitamin E in here so that I can have easy access by the bathtub for my vitamin E. I have a set of these glasses in leopard, and I broke one. And I'm thinking that I can get away with using this. It's the same color, just that they're just leopard. And when I set the table, just replace it with this one, and it was $1.99 with 50% off. Throw that in the dishwasher. If you eat in a restaurant, you could eat from recycled dishes if you eat in a restaurant, so it's okay. And I got a bunch of buttons that I was not going to leave. $3.49, and these are nice coat buttons, or even nice craft buttons. So yeah, that ends my haul. My daughter and I, we started a jump rope journey, so I need to now go get changed so that we can get to our jump rope assignment on tonight. We have to measure ourselves in 15 days. And we want to set a goal of being able to jump for a half hour by day 30. So wish me luck. I'm at 15 minutes now. It's hard. It's a hard 15 minutes, but I'm there. So look for me on Instagram about my jumping journey. I don't think I'm going to be posting that on Facebook unless I'm really, really doing good. I mean, on YouTube or Facebook for that matter. If I'm not doing so good, I'm not doing so good right now. I feel like I'm going to die, but I'm going to persevere. Thank you. If you want to see my denim skirt turned into a cape, don't forget to click and subscribe. Leave me back your feedback and your comments, and show me your thrift shop hauls or any hauls. I would love to see them. Good night.